Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the Heartland Guest app. The Heartland Guest app is used for the pay at the table feature that Heartland has, which is called Scan to Pay, and also for the loyalty rewards, so you can collect your reward points. Now, this is available on Android operating system and Apple operating system. So you can go to your App Store or Play Store, whichever one you have, and search for Heartland Guest app, and you can download it there. Or if you're scanning one of the QR codes for the first time, it will also direct you to download it. I do want to point out something here that you may have already noticed, but it does have a low rating, and I am going to defend that a little bit, because what I noticed affected that rating the most. There was a few months ago, a few of the cell phone providers, I'm not going to name them, but a few of the cell phone providers had a security request that they wanted Heartland to add to it. And till they fixed that, they decided to go on ahead and disable this app on every single person's phone until that security request got addressed. So Heartland had to work on it. They got the update finally sent out with the security update. But in the meantime, since the cell phone providers had disabled the app, it frustrated a lot of people. They got upset and went and gave it a bad rating. I've used it quite a bit. I'm going to vouch for it. I think the app, it's never given me any problems. It works perfectly for me on both my Android and my iPhone, and I haven't had any problems with it, so I think it's been great. Okay, so let's go ahead and go into what it looks like. So I'm going to hit open. So when you open it, this is what you're going to have. You're going to have two options on the screen, either the top picture, which is to scan the QR code, which you can see in the picture kind of what that looks like on the receipt. And then the bottom is to explore. So I'm going to go down to explore and show you what that looks like. So on explore, it's going to show you all the restaurants in the area that have Heartland Restaurant. Not only is it going to show you those restaurants, but it's going to allow you, on most of them, depending on how they're set up, it's going to give you options to order now, which takes you straight to their online ordering page, so you can order online. And you might notice here it also shows a buy gift card. So if you're selling gift cards, it gives you an option there to buy an e-gift. If the location is using loyalty rewards, it will show you what your rank is, if you have any rewards available, which you can see for Chimmy's I do. And then, yeah, just keep showing you every single place. Now, it does have a search bar at the top, so you can search for a specific restaurant if you're looking for it. And then there's a filter up here at the top right. It looks like an upside down pyramid. That's your filter, so you can filter just for places with points or places with rewards or in-app ordering. I'm going to hit the back arrow. Now, if I was scanning a receipt at a restaurant for either the loyalty reward points or for the pay at the table, then I would just hit the scan, the picture that says scan, and it would wake my camera up to where I can take a picture of that QR code. And then, of course, once you scan the QR code, if it's pay at the table, you just follow the steps for leaving a tip and using a credit card. The loyalty rewards will just scan for your points. Now, up here at the top left, there's a menu with the 3 lines. Looks like a hamburger. You tap that, it's going to give you an option for account, which is just going to show you your account information that they have on record. So your name, phone number, email, birth date. I think that's about it. And then there's an option for history. So history is just going to show you basically all the places that it knows that you've ordered from before. So it's a good way to go back if you needed to pull up a previous receipt or something. You can go back and pull that up. And then payment is going to show you your stored payment information, which I'm not going to show you on here, sorry. And then there's a help feature that pulls up about or terms and condition, privacy policy. That's pretty much all there is to this app. I can't think of anything I might have missed, so I hope this video was helpful. That's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.